Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be walking you around this stunning Isle of Man green Caterham 620R SV. The colour on this looks absolutely fantastic and works really well with the carbon fibre front and rear wings as well as the indicator pods, and it's also got a carbon effect triple stripe which looks really smart. So this car was first registered in June 22, so it still has some manufacturer's warranty left on it. The mileage on this car is just over 4,700 miles, and condition wise it's very good inside and out, no marks on any of the seats. This one does also have the carbon heated seats, which work very well. Outside, condition wise, no marks on any of the wheels, and very minor marks in terms of stone chips around the car, as you would expect with the mileage. So moving on to the interior, one of the first things we notice, it does have the suede steering wheel, as well as the sequential shift lights, which are particularly handy in this one, as you are paying attention to the road, especially when you're accelerating quite hard. Mentioned them earlier, but the carbon heated seats, which you can just see the switches in the middle there. It's got the lovely 620 dash, which is standard, and it does also have the track day roll bar. So one thing I think is worth talking about on this car is the engine and gearbox. So this being the 620R, it does have the 2-litre Duratec which is supercharged. So it's 310 horsepower, and that is connected to a 6-speed sequential gearbox, which is absolutely unbelievable driving one of these things. It is really something to experience. Right, so if you would like any further details on this car, do give us a call on 01932 240 611. You can also reserve this car on our website at hwm.co.uk. Thanks for watching.